Hello, we are Joni and Sarah from Vantastic.
9 years ago we sold everything we own and bought this Fiat Ducato camper van, and ever since we have lived in this van.
Yes, and now we are in Greece. Lovely and warm Greece.
Past weeks we have been so social. It's nice to have alone time with Joni. Being just together here is nice because we can just kick back and relax and enjoy our camping life here next to the beautiful sea. We gathered some dry branches from the bushes. We're going to set up a fire. Fire ban starts so early in the springtime here in Greece, so we have to make the most of it.
Yeah, we're gonna actually start up the fire and make some food. Hey, Monk feet is back. There. There! Yay! I got my drone up immediately when I actually heard the monk seal before and got it in a picture. Yeah, it's really beautiful creature. It lives somewhere here. It has some cave where he's residing, so we see him quite a lot. They are really endangered species here in Greece. I don't know how many of them are here. Maybe hundreds maximum. But we have seen 4 of them, 4 different ones in Greece. And we saw some sad thing also in the water. There was a dead turtle that was tangled in the bottom of the sea with some fishing nets. So, yeah, that is also not so happy. But the monk seal is happy because we saw the same monk seal, I think, start of the winter here in the same place. And now we saw him again. So he's alive. He's alive.
Lively, happy guy, and I like the sound like when he comes up in the surface and make that sniffing noise with the big nostrils.
You can actually hear him before you can see him.
Yeah.
It's nice.
So nice to see the nature here, and we are so glad the little guy is not tangled in the fishing nets.
Yeah, it's a winter time. The water is still quite cold. We should say it's refreshing. And we throw the stones because we have seen a scorpion fish on this beach. They are most poisonous fish in the Mediterranean. So we are trying to scare it off, but you cannot swim here, just plunge. Stingy bushes. We are burning the stingy bushes.
What do you like to put on your burgers? We did find this product from Lidl. I think there's a Vemondo weeks. So we are making this. Also, one tip, if you have not tested these red onions from Greece, these are so delicious. Oh yeah, and what's up with these avocados? Because they are always going bad the same time. So you have to eat like 7 avocados in one day. So we are going to have an avocado overload.
Yes, the wood is
chopped.
So we are ready to start grilling.
Thank you, Joni. We are so lucky the weather cleared out. There's a blue skies and we are making our burgers. on the live fire. Food tastes so much better when you cook outside, no matter what you cook. It's amazing. We have missed this silence, being alone, being together, being in the nature, being in Greece.
Yeah, the best part is with Sarah.
Yeah, finally together. And off he goes.
Really good. Burger patties from Lidl, so no meat. But this is really good.
It is good. Yeah. Only thing that we are missing is good Finnish beer. Like beer.
Beer. Good food, good mood. Yeah, it's been nice. Sun is setting and our lives are again so beautiful. There was a couple of weeks of rainy weather here in Greece, but otherwise this has been really beautiful. And we have been on the road, or last time we worked was over 1,000 nights ago. So we have enjoyed over 1,000 nights of the freedom. Yeah, it feels good. The freedom feels always good.
Kalimera! We are going to enjoy our morning coffees here in the outside.
Sun is rising and we are enjoying life already. And Sarah's face is in the shade.
Yeah, but now it's in the sun. One reason why we absolutely love sleeping in the nature is discovering these hidden little places. Look, there's a cave, really deep cave. And we did not even notice there's a cave. So nature is so full of surprises. Even you think it's full of shrubbery and rocks and just see here. But when you stay put, whoa, slippery. When you stay put, you can find and discover the beauty of the Mother Nature everywhere. All these little things that you can see in your own camp. Pretty amazing.
Perfect morning porridge time. There was
dozens of dolphins jumping from the sea, and they came so close to the shoreline.
beautiful creatures, and they are much bigger than I thought.
Like huge ones.
Yeah, I thought they were little small ones, but these ones who came here to the shoreline, they were huge. and they was trying to catch some kind of fish from the rocks, and they will keep coming back there, even if I was just beside them. Really beautiful, and the whole pack of dolphins, it was something like 15 or 20 of them on this bay. So it was really beautiful to actually follow them here and look that they are actually getting some fish. You can see from their behavior that they are catching something, so it was nice. We saw a dead turtle couple of days ago, but now we saw 3 of them alive there.
Floating in the sea, just paddling away, so it's so happy to see that.
They are living here, and actually there are lots of them in here. And there is a nesting beach behind us there, where the turtles go nesting. So
there's a lot of vans.
Yes, but it's still nice to see them.
Yeah, I don't know. Dolphins should not be so close to the shoreline, but I think fish is out of sea, so they come closer to humans.
Yeah, but the dolphin was actually staring at me.
They are playful creatures.
So half a meter away from
we should
me.
buy some plastic ball and throw it and
Let's
call
see.
it a flipper, a pet.
Yeah, this is really nice.
We are this domesticated.
Yeah, we are domesticated with the wild animals. We are living among the wild animals, and we are so delighted when we see them here. And one of the reasons why we are here in nature, so we can eat porridge outside in the sun.
And see the dolphins jumping.
Yeah, it gives you so much delight. So much. This is perfect lifestyle for us.
Yeah.
In every aspect.
For sure.
There has been lots of traffic. So the monk seal, it has a cave that it lives approximately 200 meters that way. He always dives there and stays there. So we have seen now turtles, a monk seal, and the dolphins. And also that fisherman over there, he catched like 3 kilogram octopus or squid from here. So he told that this was last year a good place to get squid and calamari, but not this year. But that one was huge, and big fishes also. So maybe I'll take my fishing gear out, and if we catch something. I haven't had any luck of fishing anywhere in Greece from the shoreline. Only what I have heard, if you want to fish and get fish, you need to get the boat. Yay! So happy that we can be here in the nature. Yeah, the water is cold, but it's warmer than in Finland. Much warmer. And it's not snowing. So everything in the weather wise, if it's not snowing, it's okay for us. Loving it. Our life is the best life.
We always wear some kind of shoes when we go swim in the sea, because there's plenty of sea urchins, those porcupine stinging wings. But one night I left my shoes outside of the van, and golden chacal, took one of the shoes. I'm only wearing one. I have to find a new pair, so it's safe for me to go swim too. But yeah, I'm not going to swim from here. I need to find some kind of beach where I can walk and my feet will touch all the time bottom of the sea, because it's this fear that I have developed this winter. I don't know why, but deep waters scare me a lot. Come on, I show you the perfect little hidden beach.
This feels like those summer vacations in school.
When you were a kid.
Yeah, you don't have any responsibilities and you can go swimming as much as you like.
And eat ice cream all day long, and your parents are not angry at you.
So we are still living that dreamy summer life that we used to have while kids.
We have created our own perfect little bubble, escapism world.
From reality.
Yeah.
So we are just enjoying life and enjoying each other's company.
Exactly, and your company. We did check out our YouTube subscriber count, and soon we are reaching a whopping 27,000 subscribers, and that's huge for Awkward Vlogking.
Yes, 9 years we have done these daily vlogs and
Weekly vlogs.
weekly vlogs, yes. But we have enjoyed it. We have enjoyed every comment I like that we have received
Thank you.
in YouTube. So thank you everyone being with us on this journey. Nowadays we don't have that much delay on our videos. I think week or two.
Yeah.
So you can actually watch the live somewhere there, I think, in the side of the screen.
Yeah, we will put the card there. But thank you really being there for us. It means a lot.
Yes, thank you. Bye.